tyres are they going to use in these, Joey?
2.
All in?
Like 1.
You sure now? You want one front and 2 rear?
I think that's what it is. We're running 2 last time.
What are you going to run there? 2 all round since the call. What I want to know is who did that get?
Yes. Yeah, I'll bring that's fair enough. Right, a little standard 1300 Astra. I've got a good friend.
Hang on a minute, Jim.
That's true. You've got lots of witnesses, I'll sign it 100 times. Mouse, D-Duck. That's one job we don't.
What do you think? You don't think it's...
Oops.
That's the next
I
question,
don't.
isn't it?
But it's marked from the factory.
What's the problem? Oh, where about Rothmans? It's a union meet.
Yeah.
It's marks are from the factory. From Arla. It's not from our people. But for sure.
What's wrong with bending the coil?
You know.
I don't know what's wrong with bending the coil. Why don't we just do that then?
Well, if you bend the coil, the trouble is even then it can slip sideways, can't it? Bend the coil.
We have it this side. It's a spring.
Well, no, because
It moves anyway.
anyway.
Should we leave?
All we're trying to do is stopping that coil
Coming up the side of the bodywork.
What about the clutch?
Now we check this.
Change the clutch.
No, we checked.
It's not good eating springs, is it? It's all heat treated anyway. Once you start
You're
heating, you're upsetting all that. It's got to be wrong.
What, is that the springs that were in?
Yeah, that's the usual.
Are they shrunk?
No, it's just the one that side. On the top.
Doesn't it locate right in?
Coil. Well, I'll show you on the other side.
Tends to pop out a wee bit.
Oh, sorry, yeah.
Going to ask any embarrassing questions, eh? Right.
Robin Turvey, team manager, how's things progressing here at testing?
Oh, everything seemed to be fine. I think the two drivers, apart from being cold, are quite happy. Jimmy's happy now. Just one more spring change, I think, and that would just about do it.
You having problems with the springs?
No, no problem. It's just that the engineer from Germany, Mr. Goldstein, is very much a perfectionist, and he's probably looking to the Monty now and Goldie, trying different springs, which is his way of doing things with stopwatches and ride heights and one thing and another, just to make sure it all comes right. He's a perfectionist and he knows what he's doing, so we've just got to go along with whatever he wants. We go along with, and it's better to do it now and try and do it in the middle of the rally, obviously.
2 days to go.
Yeah, I mean 4 stages without service. One particular part of where it's 5 stages without service, you've got to get it right to start with. And there's no good changing your mind halfway through the rally, so we reckon to do it right to start with, then you have no hassles on the rally, and you've got time to cope with the contingencies which may come your way.